4-44. You guys are asked to download the Goodyear information. No, it's not about tires, it's about homes in a town of Goodyear. And there's the information, and it's available in a data file. Okay, so you can download it without having to sit there and recreate it. Now, I went and I used or answered the same questions, and maybe that's looking at number 45, but I kind of answered it, at least to show you how to do it. I don't want you to do again, we don't have a real good method of, not that I know of creating box plots on Excel, so I've kind of ignored that, and honestly you don't see box plots used a lot, I don't think, in real life, but but it asks us to do, like a scatter plot, okay, and so instead of, I think your guys' asks for price on the vertical axis and size, and you're trying to see if there's a relationship then between price and size. So I did baseball, and I decided to do salary versus wins. Ooh, how's that? Is there a relationship? So I'm going to move this one out of the way. It'll be there if I got to come back. But so I go to insert. I would identify that. Okay, and I would then insert, and again we're doing a scatter diagram, right? There we go. It's kind of that simple, right? I can make it a little bit bigger. Looks just like the other one. I added some labels, and I think there's a way to add labels here. Chart axis, axis title. Yeah, so I could call that that would be wins over on this side. Let's see if I can. Yeah, we got to come and click on it then, and we would go wins. Yeah, that fit in there, and then I can just click on this. This is salary. Maybe I can. Yep, yes, yeah. There you go. It's as simple as that. Show you one other thing. I think this works as well. Let's say, because these are in adjoining, and so it's pretty easy to identify them, but I think that I can do, is there a relationship between seating capacity and attendance? Well, let's see. Okay. I'll highlight that column. Click and hold your control button. Oops. And then highlight attendance, okay, and that way both of them are highlighted, okay, and I think I haven't tried this lately, but I think I can then make my scatter diagram just like that. There you go. Okay. Yeah, sure enough, it kind of looks like as your seating capacity goes up, so does your attendance. Now, that's just a correlation. It's not necessarily a causation, right? Because it could just be that teams who have big attendance build bigger stadiums, right? So it could be a little bit backwards, but in any event, that's how you do those.